Hello traders, today is 19th of December, Thursday 2019, and I would like to share with you today's best first trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD Sky support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. In pound yen, we were expecting a consolidation breakout just before London Open. As you can see, based on the momentum, as always mentioned, we are expecting a long breakout, and as you can see, the price nicely broken. And we also announced through live RG commentary the pullback long trade, and price nicely hit to the profit target. A beautiful long trade on a pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout long trade, and pound dollar again just before London Open. Price developer consolidation. This was the breakout long trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, again, we had this breakout long trade after the news wasn't good at 9 a.m. in the morning, and we would need a technical trade, a valid entry, as you can see, based on the price develop another symmetrical triangle pattern breakout. Beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, again, another small short trade. Euro Swiss franc, we were expecting a breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken and retest as mentioned on the analysis. Nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful long trade counter on Euro Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This one again as a triangle pattern breakout. Nicely hit to the first target. And then pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was again is the flag pattern breakout. Beautiful short trade. Price nicely hit to the support level. Pound dollar, as you can see, base we had it another news release at 12 p.m. and that's basically reverse the price as mentioned on the analysis all the time. We need a valid technical reason. We were expecting a breakout. We mentioned if the price gonna break this one, we took a long trade on as soon as the price. We had this breakout before, make a few pips, and we look another breakout at this pound dollar. Beautiful long trade. Pound Swiss franc again, the price was at the support level we mentioned because the news was good. It's temporarily. We can see some strength on pound Swiss franc, and we can took a long trade and few more pips on this trade. Pound yen again, as you can see, this is the news reactions. We bank few pips and the short trades, and after that, as I always mentioned, we are intraday analysis. We always keep an eye the price movement. As you can see, the price develop, and we said mention that if the price is going to break this zone, then we should be looking breakout trade as based on the momentum. As always mentioned, we had a beautiful breakout long trade on pound yen. Then after that, once we bank some profit, we're waiting for another pullback as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, we were expecting a pullback. As you can see, price did not develop a pullback, failed to break this orange EMA as mentioned on the analysis. After the breakout, as mentioned here, retest, and as soon as the price retest and develop a bullish candle, bearish candle, we took a short trade and banked few pips on pound yen. And same thing in pound dollar. Price failed to break this orange EMA. That's give us the confirmation. Look for the breakout, but we need a confirmation as mentioned on the analysis. We can see after the breakout, a retest and beautiful price nicely hit to the first target. Pound Swiss franc, this one, as you can see, based on the analysis after the news reaction, price develop another pattern. We mentioned to look for this breakout as price because if you look at the bottom, the momentum was bearish. The momentum was developing. We took a breakout and we also announced another pullback short trade, and the price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade, pound Swiss franc, pound yen again. As mentioned, we had this trade. As always mentioned, we always keep an eye the price movement, and as soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast into the platform. As we know, as you can see, we had another analysis that after this breakout, we need a pullback as the price was developing it. As you can see, this small dot and the analysis that the possibility of price pullback at this level. As you can see, the price nicely pulled back, took a short trade, and then we announced another pullback short trades. Price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Pound dollar again, as mentioned on the analysis, we keep an eye at the price movement. New pattern developed after the breakout. We were expecting a pullback. As you can see, the price came back and create a pullback. And after that, you can see a beautiful pullback short trade. And we also announced another one through live audio commentary. Two beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Euro Swiss franc, we had this breakout, and as mentioned on the analysis, we first priority we should be looking possibility of counter long trade, but we also mentioned at the bottom through live commentary possibility of a reversal. Price might going to break. As you can see, the price developed pullback and then fail to maintain above this green fib channel, which we also consider as a support or resistance. As you can see, the previously price nicely respected all this fib channel, and we announced through live audio commentary price refused to develop a pullback. Uh, Technically, this would be considered as a breakout short trade. As you can see, we had such a beautiful short trade on Euro Swiss franc, pound Swiss franc, and once the target hit previously, and then we said wait for the pullback, and then as soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast straight away into the platform that the possibility, the safest trade would be the breakout of this triangle pattern. Possibility price might going to reverse, and if the price break, then we will consider this one a false breakout, but price nicely respected and break this wedge based on the momentum. We announced another short trade, and we mentioned look be good because we did and did analysis in 4 hour based on that bearish engulfing pattern perform. We said look, any pullback will be considered as a potential trade opportunity. We had a three more beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc. We had a pound yen again. We had this prop trade, and after that, as mentioned, price developed another pattern, beautiful pullback short trade, and three more few beautiful short trades. We had such a beautiful trades on cable today. All you can see here, same on pound dollar, pretty straightforward price, nicely respected as mentioned at the orange fib channel, and the surface day would be the breakout of the orange EMA, beautiful. And we announced another three more short trades on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. We're expecting a breakout. Price nicely broke on this consolidation. After the breakout, we had it another pullback. We announced another pullback. Beautiful three pullback trades on Euro pound. Euro yen, as mentioned on the analysis, we were expecting a breakout, and the price nicely broke on this downside channel. And we announced another pullback to short trades on Euro Yen, Aussie dollar, as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback long trade. Euro dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout. Price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful short trade. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward. We have from last couple of days this consolidation, but today we mentioned look, price is refusing it. We did analysis in 4 hour. Price nicely respected um, this previous high many times. It's a powerful resistance area. We need a valid technical reason. We took a short trade, and we announced the final target would be the 200 EMA at the momentum chart. As you can see, beautiful triangle pattern breakout short trade. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all these analysis and trades in real time, live with the live audio commentary support, feel free to join our professional traders community. You will find more information in the video description how to join our community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.